or external cladding, the idea is simple. Instead of stacking and fixing multiple separate layers, such as insulation board, vapor barrier, fire sheet, and outer finishes like stone or brick, we propose an integrated alternative. Our new revolutionary all-in-one solution for external cladding, external wall insulation, and internal roof insulation, which is Decorative Integrated Vacuum Insulation Panel DVIP. The Decorative Integrated Vacuum Insulation Panel is available in all dimensions, sizes, and shapes, customizable to your requirements. It has a thickness of 30 mm with a thermal conductivity of 7 milliwatt per meter per Kelvin. The panel features mid-century modern MCM and metal type exterior finishes. Both MCM and metal type DVIPs feature Class A1 fire rating, 3D sound absorption, freeze-thaw resistance, anti-aging properties, and long-term durability that remains stable even over a century. They are fully waterproof, and more importantly, our accelerated aging tests confirm a lifespan of at least 35 years for this type of decorative integrated vacuum insulation panel. And after this period of after 35 years, the thermal conductivity may gradually increase by a few percent as the panel continues to age. To compare the thermal conductivity and thickness parameters, first, just to repeat myself, lower the thermal conductivity, better the insulation, and lower the cooling or heating energy loss. What we see here is our 30 millimeter thick decorative integrated vacuum insulation panel that has a thermal conductivity of 7 milliwatt per meter per Kelvin with a U value of 0.22 that evidently offer the best thermal performance, far better than any conventional insulation materials available today. For example, even at 250 millimeter thickness, rock mineral wool still has a thermal conductivity of 34 milliwatt per meter per Kelvin. Similarly, glass mineral wool at 200 millimeters shows a thermal conductivity of 44 milliwatt per meter per Kelvin. PIR at 180 millimeter thickness has a thermal conductivity of 22 milliwatt per meter per Kelvin, and as for EPS, even at 100 millimeter, it reaches a conductivity or thermal conductivity of 36 milliwatt per meter per Kelvin, for XPS 33. So even at thinner dimensions, decorative integrated VIP outperforms all in terms of insulation. The MCM type decorative vacuum insulation panel, as shown here, has been experimentally installed in a test house. This MCM type decorative integrated VIP consists of 3 layers. A customizable front layer with mid-century modern decorative finishes, stone or different types of finishes are possible. A mid layer containing the VIP core insulation, and both front and back layers made of calcium silicate. Integrated anchors are also included to enhance structural reliability. It offers a selection of customizable patterns as indicated by numbers, but more range of colors patterns can also be seen. For varied decorative effects and a strong sense of artistry tailored to individual preferences, with a layer of calcium silicate or wood fiber attached to the front side to protect the VIP core. I would like to draw your attention to the edges and the seamless precision cuts at this corner, which is this one. This is why having the dimensional details in advance is crucial. However, for hard to reach areas where on-site cutting becomes absolutely necessary, we offer a decorative matching front layer that can be cut together without the vacuum insulation panel inside. In this realistic photograph of the MCM type DVIP, we can see an electrical switch. We can either utilize the panel edges for wiring, or more importantly, we can have a hole prefabricated in the decorative vacuum insulation panel during production to allow easier installation of piping and electrical connections. The metal type decorative vacuum insulation panel is shown in here. I would like to show you the realistic sample. This is one of our premium metal type DVIP. This has been experimentally installed in a test house. This metal type decorative integrated VIP consists of 3 layers: a customizable front layer with aluminum or galvanized steel plated with surface decorative treatment, a mid layer containing the VIP core insulation, and the back layer made of calcium silicate. Integrated anchors are also included to enhance structural reliability. It offers a selection of customizable patterns as indicated by numbers, but more range of colors patterns can also be seen for varied decorative metal effects. Metallic gray type decorative VIP, metallic gold type decorative VIP. In this realistic photograph of the metal type DVIP, we can see an electric switch with a prefabricated hole underneath, made during production to allow easier installation of electrical connections. Here we see the smooth corners and attention to detail in our production of the metal type DVIP, where seamless finishes are essential. This image shows the complex edges of the metal type DVIP, demonstrating how the corners and joints are handled and how the DVIP fits within intricate structural designs. To conduct the experimental energy, thermal, and sound insulation performance analysis, House A was constructed using MCM decorative integrated VIP, while House B was built to the same shape and size but with homogeneous panels of identical thicknesses. The overall energy consumption of House A is about minimum 22% lower than House B. The rewarming test shows after 6 hours temperature rise of House A is about 15% lower than House B. The sound insulation test shows noise reduction of House A is about minimum 15 decibel quieter than House B. The installation process of the MCM type decorative integrated vacuum insulation panel consists of 8 simple steps. First, we start by marking the reference line on the wall to ensure correct alignment. Next, we apply the interfacial agent to prepare the surface. Then we spread the bonding mortar evenly. After that, the panel is carefully positioned onto the wall. Once in place, we pre-install the fasteners, followed by drilling the holes at the marked points. We then tighten the expansion anchors and fastening screws securely. Finally, we apply masking tape along the edges and seal them neatly with a high quality sealant to ensure a clean and reliable finish, as we have seen in the photographs. The installation process of the metal type decorative integrated vacuum insulation panel is nearly the same as that of the MCM type. The only key difference is that in this case you will need to remove the protective film from the panel surface as part of the final step after the panel has been fully fixed and sealed in place. For more details about the decorative integrated vacuum insulation panel, including FAQs, visit www.sanyolyndon.com or download the full product catalog by scanning this QR code with your mobile phone. If you want the best, this is the best. We will make you a realistic, competitive offer that you would be inclined to consider it. We have an excellent and dedicated team, and we invite you to get in touch with our customer service team for further information, tailored price quotations, or to discuss your specific project requirements. You can explore our full range of vacuum insulation energy products, review details of the specification of each product, purchasing process, and browse our FAQs by visiting our website www.sanyolondon.com. If you'd prefer a direct conversation, you are most welcome to contact me personally by email or by phone so we can discuss how our disruptive innovations can contribute to the success of your project. Let's work together to take a meaningful step forward in the evolution of energy savings by putting our vacuum insulation innovative solutions into action where impact truly begins. Thank you.